Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. In this video, I just wanted to give you an overview of the power of seasonality. Seasonality plays a very important role in a lot of commodities as far as trading. Crops, you can think about the agricultural sector, and also it's very vital as to helping to show, potential direction for the oil sector because oil is, kind of a seasonal trends to it as well. You think about driving season, gasoline, during the summertime, heating oil, various things like that. So a lot of these seasonal patterns or trends will happen over and over again. Not exactly at the same exact times, but sometimes in the same kind of general monthly time frame. So what I wanted to point out was that, here is crude oil. This is a seasonality continuation chart, from 86 to 2015. And what you'll see here is that crude tends to have a really nice rally up into January. I mean, not January, but the end of April right here, and then has a high probability of pulling back. So this is a 5-year trend. So you can see on a 5-year trend, it's pulled back. On a 15-year trend, it's pulled back and kind of gone sideways to choppy. And then you'll get another decent, kind of late midsummer rally, however you want to look at it, end of June up into late July, maybe even sometimes into August. So that's crude oil. And then you can see same situation for Brent crude. It has that nice push to the upside that, January, February, March, April, then tends to peak out, pull back or go sideways into May, and then you'll have another, potential move up end of June. And then the same with RBOB or unleaded gasoline. You have a nice trend to the upside, and then it peaks end of April, pulls back. Now let's see what the current market's currently doing and see if these tendencies are showing up right now. So I like to follow commodities a lot of times on a 4-hour chart, 4-hour time frame. So here's my trading model, and you can see here's crude oil, the current spot month of June, and you peaked out on Wednesday after inventories, and then it's pulled back. So you can see momentum shifted to the downside. So we have a little pullback going on here, and as far as the daily time frame, we could easily get back here to that 21 period moving average around 56, 56 and a half. And we'll see if we can pull back even further. So that's crude oil. And then let's take a look. You can see the same thing for RBOB, which is the unleaded gasoline contract. And so here's RBOB on the daily. It's starting to break down. You can see it's starting to shift back to the 21 period moving average, starting to lose a little bit of momentum. And you look at it on the 4-hour, you see kind of the same type pattern here. So I wanted to point this out. Now, if you'd like to learn more about seasonality and the crude and how it affects everything, join me this Saturday, for a webinar, free webinar on crude trading. So if you're interested in that, sign up, and it'll be on this email. You can register and see either Saturday, or you have the option to check it out. And that same webinar will be on Monday. Hope this helps. Talk to you on the next update.